Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about exercise 10.2 question number 3. Draw a map of a school compound using proper scale and symbols for various features like playground, main building, garden, etc. Here is the rough sketch of the school. This is the entrance, this is the principal's room, these are the office, this is the bathrooms for boys and girls, these are bathrooms for staff, right? And this is the class 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7 and this is the 8th class. 8th, this is 7th class and this is 8th class. 7, this is for class 7 and this is class 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is in class 9, class 10, class 11, class 12, right? Okay, this is the playground. Here, this is the playground. This is the playground. This is the playground. This is the garden. This is the garden. And there are trees also here. There are trees here. With the different symbols. Right? This is the entrance. And this is the scale is 1 centimeter to 5 meter. This is a rough sketch of the school compound. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.